Hey guys, here's J&M again with a new tutorial about adding the jump animation to the Paragon Crunch character. In the previous part I created the idle to walk for the Crunch, but when he's jumping he's still playing this walk animation. And of course this is not what we want, so let's fix this. Open the animation blueprint we created in the previous part and add a new bool variable called isInAir. This is exactly like it is done in the animation blueprint of the mannequin character, for example. The isInAir variable will be set in this blueprint here, and it indicates if the character is currently in the air. So let's drag this here in as a setter variable. And from the pawn owner I drag out a movement component, which has again a isFalling function, and the return value of this I can assign to the isInAir variable. Okay, then I connect all the nodes and we are done with the event graph. Great, now let's open the state machine of the anim graph that just contains the idle jog state. From this I drag out a new state and call it jump. Then let's open the condition rule and define in this rule if we will enter this transition. And in our case this will be done if the character is in the air. But now I have to tell the engine which animation will be played in the jump state. And I found out that the jump apex is matching here really good. So just right click in the editor and search for play jump apex. Alright, and then I connect this to the result of the final pose. After the jump state, we will need a jump end state, so I add this here. The rule for this transition is also quite simple. The transition will be entered if the variable isInAir is not true, so I will use the not node for this logic. The animation that I play in this state is the jump land animation. You can also just drag it from the asset browser into the state editor and connect it to the final pose. What is important for the animations, uncheck here the loop animation checkbox, because it shouldn't be played in a loop, it should be played once, and do this for the jump apex animation as well. Okay, the last transition I add from the jump end state back to the idle jog state, and this one should be entered in any case, so I will just check this can enter transition. Then I select the rule again and set the duration to a value of about 0.8 so that we have a smooth transition from the jump landing to the idle state. And I think that's it, and we can start the game now and test the new jump animation. And look at this, how nicely this comes out. Really cool. Okay guys, in the next part I will add an attack animation to the character, and if you have other ideas for improvement, please add these to the comments below. If you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to help it grow, please consider supporting me on my Patreon. Thank you guys for watching this, thanks for your support, and see you on JNM.